let's learn this tango routine
step by step. In this routine, we have a reverse turn lady outside with the link ending. Natural twist turn. Promenade link. Outside swivel. Promenade tap. And close promenade. Now, timing. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Man steps. We're going to start reverse turn on the left foot. Quick, quick, slow. Then step backward and looking at our partner. Quick and link. Quick. Now, natural twist turn. Slow, quick, quick, step, moving right foot behind. Now, guys, we're going to make a turn on the left foot and going into promenade position, quick, quick. Now, promenade link. Slow, quick, quick, turn our upper body. Outside swivel, moving foot first 1 and make a turn 2. Then we're going to do promenade link. Step forward 1 and into promenade position 2. And then close promenade. Slow, quick, quick, getting lady in the close position, slow. And now lady steps. Reverse turn. Quick, quick, slow. Next step, ladies, very important. This step, you're moving left foot on the same track with your right. Quick. And you're extending your upper body position. Now, link. Quick. You're moving right foot forward and turning your face into promenade position. Now, we're going to do natural twist turn. Slow. Quick, quick. Get your head in the close position. Slow. And then step around man. Quick, quick. Now, we're going to do promenade link. Forward, quick, and make a turn, quick, back in the close position. Ladies, outside swivel, step forward 1 and swivel 2. Then promenade tap 3, 4. And after that, we're going to do close promenade. Slow, quick, quick, close your head and feet together, slow. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow, quick, quick, slow. To create a beautiful contrast in tango dance and understand how to do sharp point, we need to pay attention for our tango position. In the tango, we're using sitting up position. And how to create this position? We're going to stay in front of each other. Yes, and now we're both moving right foot backward and bend our knee, creating this sitting feeling, like you're sitting on the chair. At the same time, we're extending our upper body up and turn our rib cage slightly to the left. Now, if we will get in the connection, so you can see we have very grounded sitting position in low body, but nice connection through the rib cage and very spacious upper body. Now we have our tango sitting up position and reverse turn. Remember guys, when we do reverse figures, turn your low body more, upper body less. Quick, quick, slow. Now first line, quick and sharp action in your face. Quick. Now natural twist turn, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Promenade link, slow, quick, quick, sharp action of lady's upper body. Now, guys, we're taking first step of the outside swivel 1 and make a sharp swivel 2. After that, we're going to take step in the contra promenade position quick, promenade position quick. And finally, close promenade. Slow, quick, quick. Lady turning her face during the step number 3. And finally, feet together, slow.
And now we can dance this routine with the music.